Did I really read my email correctly? Stand by to find out. Good afternoon. I thought I'd bring you this information as I found it quite interesting that the ARRL announced a logbook of the world upgrade. And I'm going to show you this email here. And I'm going to read it to you. Dear Logbook of the World user, ARRL's Logbook of the World is the second most popular benefit among members. It's also an extremely popular service internationally for non-members, as it's the primary means for providing confirmations for ARRL awards such as DXCC and Worked All States. As part of the ongoing modernization of the ARRL system's infrastructure, Logbook of the World will be receiving major upgrades to the operating system it's running on, the relational database system it uses to store and access logbooks and awards data, and server hosting, where it will be fully migrated to the cloud. These changes will, among other improvements, ensure Logbook of the World performance needs can be better met based on user demand. Here's the kicker. ARRL Field Day is ARRL's biggest probably event of the year, which is happening June 28th and 29th. The email goes on to further say, Logbook of the World will be unavailable from June 27th to July 2nd, 2025 to complete these upgrades. We'll bring Logbook of the World back online if it is available sooner than July 2nd. Logbook of the World can be found at, etc. A website. I won't finish reading the rest of it. But who in the world thought this was a great idea to perform a Logbook of the World upgrade over the biggest, probably weekend field event of the year? Okay, maybe Winter Field Day is really close. I got to be a little biased to this, being the president of that. But nonetheless, it would not be the time that we'd want to go do a website upgrade if we were going to perform this, same type of example, to enhance your log submissions. Why would we delay that, or why would we, not put that in there right away? Some people log automatically to, Logbook of the World, but you're going to do it over your field day weekend? ARRL, not a great idea. Anyway, that's all I've got for you. Thought I'd share that information out, and have a great week. 73 from W0 MET, the ham radio guy.